Witajcie w moim 8. odcinku. Nie tu. Nie. No i mam już wszystkie. Musiałem zobaczyć. Szybko. A tu jest moje auto? Tak, moje to.
Me off. concentrate on the road. But Trevor! Hey! Aw. Woo! Right there. Yeah!
Poszło. Ale fajnie się latało autem.
Time to hit the road, Wade. Los Santos, here we come. That go okay? I heard about the banging and screaming, but then not the nice kind. Yeah, I want to do it, Wade. We don't have to think about the loss no more. Let's go find my old buddy. This Michael Townley guy must have pissed you off real bad for you to want to find him so much. He didn't piss me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they pissed me off. But if he's dead, who's this? Now you're starting to grasp the pertinent questions. Who is this guy using my dead friend's tired-ass movie quotes? With my dead friend's alias? And my dead friend's family? And a house that must have been paid for with my dead friend's stashed millions? Wow, that's real, my fellow. I'll show you a fucking mind. I'm gonna stick my ball in your eye. It's gonna come out of your ear, huh? I didn't mean anything by that, Pete. Trevor? Move up your eye hole, fucker. And I'm gonna fuck your tiny mind, huh? I'm afraid to turn you into roadkill. Please, don't turn me into anything. I just want to be Wade. Are we nearly there yet? No, Wade. Are we nearly there? You keep this up, you're not gonna get there at all. Can you tell me a story? No, Wade. Let's play a game then. You know animal, mineral, or vegetable? I'll go first. I'm nanotechnology. What? You're what? Ooh, damn it. I gave it away. I wasn't supposed to say what I am. I'll start again. Animal, vegetable, or mineral? Hey, how about this? I'll tell you a story. You promise never to speak again. I like stories. Of course you do. This story's about a boy called Trisha. Trisha, boy's name? It doesn't matter. Kind of weird. He was weird. He was the smartest, toughest, weirdest kid in Canada. Well, that's it. That giant sprawl. Los Santos. Oh, yes you get. Go, this is Los Santos. I guess it is. I always wanted to come here. But you got stuck in the desert. They still can't get there. Best part of the state. So, Michael, this is where dead men come back to life. Los Santos, the city of shitheads. Where else would
Teraz muszę jechać do mieszkania kuzyna Wade'a.
over in Fuji Beach? Will you tell me the story about that boy, Trisha? Ah, yeah. Where were we? Right. So, this kid, he could fly planes. So, he signed up for the Air Force to fly all day long and bomb villages and maybe, just maybe, drop the nuke. And it was all going well until one day. Just before he got his wings, an evil witch in charge of psychological evaluations told him he was unstable and grounded him for life. That's terrible. It was. Sent him to a deep pit of doubt, despair. Just as he hit rock bottom, he met a fat, silver-tongued troll under a bridge. That's cool. What was the troll's name? Michelle. A lady troll? Yeah, tits like one. No,
sat under his bridge, robbing anyone who passed him by. Sometimes he'd go into town and rob the shops and inns and such. And he persuaded our hero that maybe he should rob people too. You know what? Little Trisha did rob people, and little Trisha was good at it.
And they live happily ever after?
For a while, until the troll met another troll in a strip club. They fell in love, and he bought her a pair of fake troll tits, even bigger than his real troll tits, so she could make more money stripping. Maybe a little on the side without call work, but you didn't hear that from me. Wow, and then she pushed out a pair of little trolls, and the big bad troll under the bridge went stop.
Oh, we're near Quote Town. I see you on the iPhone map. I'll give you direction. Keep it straight now. I turned right here. Now keep going. Here's the place. I think it is, at least. Come up here, Trevor. Calling it B-Way. Who? B-Way, your cousin. Who?
Your cousin! Mark! He's come to visit you, you rude fuck. Now get up off the floor and fix me up.
Nie zapomnijcie o subskrypcji, łapkach w górę. Zapraszam na kolejny odcinek. Cześć.